Alright, just another short update where I getting on the furnace rebuild. Got my new supports cut and put in that holds the bottom barrel. Got part of my hardware home. Waiting on some bolts right now to finish putting on everything. Got my door mounted. Still like some bolts on it. But I got all the holes drilled and all the sealant and everything put on, and some nuts and bolts in the corners hold everything down. Let's see. Yep. One more piece to put on, but I'll have to put it on once it gets inside. Get the barrels in here and get them stacked and get the lids on it. And we'll hook this thing up and do a test burn in it. A few more days. Yeah, I've been cutting and grinding and getting everything put together. On this lid too, I put a pipe nipple in the top. I can put I'm gonna add an oil burner to it this time. Something I've never done before, but I've been wanting to. Got all the pieces picked up and ready for it. Burn wood or use motor oil, transmission fluid, you know, whatever. If it's flammable, I'll put it in the tank and run it through it and burn it. So I'll have something else to burn other than just wood, if need be. Yeah, just you know, different ways of doing it. Oh, here comes Lena out. She thinks she's got to be part of it. She's got to check everything out, see what I'm doing. What is it, girl? What is it? Did you hear a booger? Huh? Where's it at? Huh? Where's it at? Oh, what? She said, don't get me started. Oh, man. She's a mess. Oh, man. But just a short recap video on how it's going. We'll catch y'all later. Laters.